This armoire wardrobe or cabinet has a really clean mid-century modern look, while also giving you a lot of practical storage space. It features cabinet doors, 3 drawers, a hanging rod, and shelving, so that there's plenty of room for clothes, storage bins, or everyday essentials. This cabinet is made of MDF wood, which means it's medium density fiberboard, and overall the quality feels solid. It doesn't feel cheap or fragile at all. Once assembled, it feels sturdy and durable. It's actually pretty heavy to move, which also gives it a more substantial and well-built feel. The instructions were pretty easy to follow, but I'll say the actual assembly itself was medium difficulty just because of the size and number of pieces involved. It definitely helps to have some extra time and space while putting it together. I also like that they included wall anchor screws for added safety so that you can secure it to the wall and help prevent tipping. Overall, this is a stylish and functional storage piece that offers good quality, solid construction, and a lot of organization space for a bedroom, a guest room setup, or have it in the hallway like I do for extra storage for your coats and shoes.